Hello, dosto. I hope you guys are doing well. And a very important update coming from the institute, which you can see on the website of the institute, icmi.in. And I will be sharing the details of that on, as you can see on the screen already. There are FAQs on the new training, which will be replaced by computer training now. And I think this is the need of the hour because it will enhance employability skills in each every CMA student, and it is very useful if you want to do job later, and it will definitely help you in improving your skills, employability skills and other skills. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So as you can see on the screen, first question in the minds of the student will be like, who is required to do this skill training? Because students like us are confused. If we have done computer training already, then do we have to uh, complete this skills training as well? So the answer is no. As you can see on the screen, let us come to that point. Here it is mentioned who are eligible for skills training. So the intermediate students taking admission on or after 11th August 2020 and paid their full course fees are eligible for this mandatory skills training. Full course fees means they have paid full fees, not one installment or second installment they have paid, but they have paid the full fees of intermediate and have registered on or after 11th August 2020. Then they are eligible to do this skills training. So this is not for us, but I would like to request the institute, if they if it is available, if any student who is an old student want to do this voluntary, then please arrange that as well, because it will really be helpful for all of them. Now what is there in the what is skills training? You can read it yourself. It basically as you can see, it will help you in gaining the knowledge and abilities necessary to fulfill the specific requirements of their job positions. Why institute has introduced new skills training scheme? क्यों लाया institute? क्यों लाया? Because institute is going global now, and this is the need of the hour. Because if the institute, if the CMA course, if the CMA institute is going global, then there is a need of all these courses, because they are very much useful in the corporates. As I can see, SAP Finance Power User Training and Certification, SAP software is used in many of the companies, and Microsoft Training and Certification, as in my recent video which have been uploaded today around 6 to 7 p.m. ठीक है, उसमें भी I have considered that you should learn basic concepts of MS Excel. So now the institute is providing you with that, so you should definitely complete this training, and it is mandatory, not optional. So you have to do this, and e-filing training and certification is also involved. Now what are the components of skills training? SAP Finance, SAP software, for which you have to do for 60 hours. Training will be of 60 hours, and Microsoft training will be for 40 hours. Cambridge University Pressed soft skill training and certification. I think Cambridge वाला जो है वो that is related to the interview part, so it will really be helpful again. 20 hours and e-filing training and certification 20 hours. I hope कि ये हमारे टाइम पर भी इंस्टीट्यूट ने कर दिया होता, so I would be very grateful, but देर आए दुरुस्त आए, कोई बात नहीं. At least the students who have registered in inter on or after 11th August will be having benefits of the same. What are the benefits of skills training module? You can read it yourself. What will be the benefits? Contents of skill training, you can read it yourself. It is available on the site. See, in Microsoft training is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint. E-filing, then who are eligible, it is done. What will be the modalities? 140 hours complete training. Certification will be given to you, and you can see certified trainers and domain experts across the globe will be the mentor. तो बाहर से, इंडिया के बाहर से भी आपके mentor होंगे. All online sessions will be recorded and will be made available in the skills training portal for free access to the target students. I'm not sure if they are saying for the old student as well. I don't know what they mean by target students, but we'll see later. What will be the system requirement? You can see you can log in through laptop, desktop, tablet or mobile phone, anything. Attendance mandatory. Yes, attendance is mandatory in this. And how long students will be given an opportunity to attend live online classes. You will be allowed for one term only. However, if student miss out online live skill classes arranged for June term for some genuine reason, they will get another opportunity in December. अगर आपसे मिस हो जाता है जून के लिए जेन्युइन रीजंस की वजह से, तो आप दिसंबर में देख सकते हो, कर सकते हो ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट. ठीक है. And how the students will be assessed after the completion of the training. Assessment will be done through online mechanism. Online ही होगा ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट होने के बाद. How the assessment test will be conducted. टेस्ट कैसे होगा? कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग में भी टेस्ट होता था, ठीक है, बट वो ऑफलाइन होती थी चैप्टर्स पर, बट दिस विल बी कम्प्लीटली ऑनलाइन एंड इट इज़ रियली गुड दैट whole training will be online now. So each assessment test will be of 2 hours, that is 100 marks, SAP for 50 marks, Microsoft for 30 marks and e-filing 20 marks. What is the minimum pass percentage? You सिर्फ assessment test नहीं होगा, but you should pass in that as well. So at least 50 marks, 50% marks in aggregate is required to get pass in skills training. Now how many attempts students will get to clear skill training assessment test? Student will get at least 3 attempts. 3 attempts उनको मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे क्लियर करने के लिए, and I think it's easy to clear. अगर आप अच्छे से समझेंगे then you it's very easy to clear. Will students get certificates after completion of training? Yes, you will get certificate. And how long students can have access in skills training modules? कब तक आपके पास ही रहेगा? For at least 10 months. इसकी वैलिडिटी जो है एक्सेस करने की वो at least 10 months है. कोई एडिशनल कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व नहीं है इसमें. There is no additional cost involved. It is in the intermediate registration fees itself. So that's why registration fees has been extended for all the stages. But as institute is making the changes and it will be useful for our CMA community, then we are happy to register with the increased fees. So no worries in that. Shall a student be eligible to get skill training material? Skill training material मिलेगा. Now the most important point is skill training connected with employment opportunity? Yes. These world-class skills training modules will enhance employability skills of the students in the job market to grab employment and professional opportunities around the globe. तो आपको ये हर जगह हेल्प करेगा. And I know SAP is a very good software, and even if you know Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, then it will be an added advantage because काफ़ी लोगों को आता ही नहीं है. वहीं पे वो हमेशा अपने when they start job as a fresher like I did, so वहीं पे जाके हमको सीखना पड़ता है. जो भी सॉफ्टवेयर हो वहाँ पे डिपेंड करता है. Most of the companies use SAP as well, but most of the companies use other software as well. So it is very good. I'm very happy to see this change. And how can you reach the institute to resolve any issues about skill training? Here is the email ID skilltraining@icmi.in. Okay, so this was the update. This PDF FAQ you can check on the site as well, and the schedule for Microsoft training and SAP training is here. I will just show you. It is from Microsoft Office. It is starting from 25th of January. Then you can see the timetable. This is available on the site. This is the time, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. and location is MS Teams. There is an app which is known as MS Teams. You have to join there. For SAP is starting from 22nd of January. Admissions taken on or after 11th August 2020 students. ठीक है, उनके लिए स्टार्ट हो रहा है. 22 से SAP का स्टार्ट हो जाएगा and timings are here and the location is here. You can check with weeks and go with the schedule. Link you will find somewhere in the notification. You can check it out yourself. And one question which students are having, that they have given their intermediate, right, and their computer training was exempted, and if they fail, then do they have to do this training? So the only answer to that is that if you have registered on or after 11th August 2020, अगर आपने 11th अगस्त 2020 के बाद इंटर में रजिस्ट्रेशन कराया या उस दिन पे कराया है तभी आपको ये ट्रेनिंग करनी है, नहीं तो इट्स नॉट मैंडेटरी फॉर यू. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू योर कंप्यूटर ट्रेनिंग ओनली. सो दिस इज इट. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो एंड डू शेयर विद फ्रेंड्स जिससे कि उनको भी ये सब अपडेट मिल जाए. एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन एज वेल बिकॉज 72% of the students or CMA buddies who watch my channel, watch my videos, do not subscribe it. So that's it. And once again, I'm very happy with this step of the institute. So see you guys in the next video.